This was $3 also. Okay, the dollar store is not a dollar store. The dollar store is like under $5. I'm just gonna say that now. I went shopping. I went shopping at the dollar store and I went shopping at Homesense, but because I recently moved into my home, I needed some essentials and I've been waiting to decorate and everything like that, and I wanted to do a lot of decluttering before I picked up anything new. So I really felt like just getting out today and just walking around and picking up those essential things that I needed, and I picked them up. So I wanted to share them with you today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I can't wait to share with you what I got at the dollar store and at Homesense. When I walked into Homesense, I went, oh my goodness, I could see this here, this here, this here. But I really stepped back and I thought, okay, what do I really need? What do I really want to spend my money on? And what really do I need for my home? So I didn't really like buy just anything and everything. There were definitely pieces in the store that I could have picked up or I wanted to pick up that I could have used, but I let them be because I'm trying to only purchase things that I need, things that I know I'll use a lot, and you know, be a little bit more minimal. So let's get into this haul. Yeah, I picked up a garbage can because we actually needed a new garbage can and there was one for $4 at the dollar store. I'll probably end up getting a different garbage can later on, probably something darker, but this was a really nice size one and I put everything that I got in here except for a couple things. But look at the size of it. For $4, like, you can't go wrong. What I also found at the dollar store were the dark chocolate Brookside. These ones are the acai and blueberry, and then they had like a no-name one that was like cranberry, which Owen took. So I'm finishing these, but I got 2 packs of them because they were only like $2 and it was just a nice snack. Yeah, it's not like the most fun thing, but I got myself a cutting board. I felt like this was a nice way to try and incorporate wood. If you watch my videos, you know I really like gray, white, marble, colors like that. So I'm gonna try with the wood. I'm gonna see how it works and then we're gonna go from there. The next thing I got was a table runner. I thought it was gonna look nice with the nook. The only thing is it just doesn't fit the nook. And it doesn't fit the way I thought it was going to, which is a shame because it's really, really nice, light and gray, but it just doesn't fit it the way I wish it could. Maybe trim it and make it just a little bit smaller. It's just a tad too big and it's not like it hangs off nicely, and I just like how it has like gray but like a hint of sparkle in it. So I'm just trying to figure out like what I should do with this because I don't feel like I should give up on it. I feel like there's something that I can do with it, especially because it's material and I have a sewing machine. So I also got this white tin with this fake wood top. I thought it would be nice for like a decor piece, but also to put what I need to put in here. So maybe like sugar, maybe some flowers, stuff like that. But I really did like how it's tin and how it's white and how it had something different to it. I also felt like these two, like they kind of matched in a way. So I'm gonna see how these two pieces work in my kitchen because like I said, I'm not like, I don't have a lot of wood things. So I'm gonna see how these two work in my kitchen. Because they're both white and they have a little bit of wood, so we'll see how they go. And then I found this. I opened it, I tried it, and I put it back in the package just so that I'm not like holding a random like knife. It's got a really nice like marble handle and this works really, really well. This was only $3 and I'll be honest with you, I picked this up just because. I picked this up just because it had a marble handle and I honestly never really use big knives, but there was something about this that I wanted it and I needed it, so I picked it up and I'm happy I did. And I'm happy I picked this up because I'm actually comfortable with using this and it works really, really well. So for $3, this Weimar, I think that's how you pronounce it, Weimar steel chef knife works really good. So if you were looking for like good knives, the dollar store's got like this one that's really good, just to save you some money, just so you know. And then I got this really nice gray soap dispenser. I've just been using like this orange kind of like see-through and clear soap dispenser. So whatever soap that I put in there, if it's like green, it looks like a different color. So it was just bothering me. So I found this one. This was $3 also. Okay, the dollar store is not a dollar store. The dollar store is like under $5. I'm just gonna say that now. But anyway, I found this one. It's got a little bit of imperfections, but it's really, really cute. And I just like how it's gray, how it's plain, how it's simple. It looks really nice. The pump is nice. It's glass. So I can't wait to put this in my kitchen. So then we got these two like very fun things. I was gonna get the black pair of these because everything else is like white, gray, black. But the black pair weren't the best. These ones are like okay. Homesense actually had some, but I felt like I'm just gonna use what I have now and then maybe later like upgrade or try and match everything better. These are gonna do for now. And then I got this. It's one of those, like, what do you call those? Like a spatula or something? Not a spatula. It's so that you can like scrape. It's a scraper. It's a scraper. But I got this and it's got like kind of like different like curves to it. I don't know. This is the only one that was there and it was black and gray, so I thought it would look really nice in the kitchen and match everything. And again, I had seen one at Homesense, but I just thought I'm good with this one. I don't need to buy another one, so I'm gonna use it. It feels like it's really good quality. It's the same company as the knife, and this was $3 also. A lot of the things I got from the dollar store were $3. I feel like for the majority of it, everything's like pretty decent quality and you can get like decent things there for an affordable price. Mind you, it's not $1, but we'll get over that. And I also got a little rug. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger and I thought it was gonna fit the kitchen a little better. And it's just a gray rug that I put in near the sink. And it's just so that it's not so cold on the floor. So that was everything I got from the dollar store. And what I got from Homesense, I'm really excited about. I found myself a rug. I had been really trying to find a rug to go with my couch. I don't know what it is about me with the rug, but I was trying to find a rug. When I was in Homesense, I was like bound and determined. And I kept finding some, but I thought, oh no, this isn't it, this isn't it. I seen a lady with this rug and her daughter were looking at it. They put it on the ground, they were like looking at it, and then they put it back and they thought, well, maybe I'll come pick this up, I'll keep browsing and I'll look. But when I seen it, I thought, that's gonna go with my house. So I went and picked it up and I basically left the store after because I really wanted that rug. It's like a light gray, it's got some white, it's got some speckles of like blue in there and like beige yellow tone. It just matches so well. It matches the walls and it also matches just the couch well. So I really, really did want it. And I like how it's smaller because I feel like it just opens up the living room and I really do like it. So next up is going to be to find curtains that match a little better. But yeah, that rug is just everything to me. I seen these and they were bath bombs and I have been really wanting to take a bath, but for some reason I feel like I can't take a bath without a bath bomb. I haven't had a bath for like 6 or 7 years. It's been a very long time, but because I have my own bathtub and I've been cleaning it and taking care of it, and it's just a really nice bathroom, I thought I'm gonna pick some up. So this was $10 for 4 of them, and I thought that was a pretty good price because there was one bath bomb there for like $3. So I thought, well, you know what, for $10, I have been really wanting to take a bath since I got here. They're from Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals. If you've ever tried them, let me know. I'm really excited. Maybe I'll have one tonight. I think I'm gonna take one tonight and maybe just take a clip and show you how they work. But anyway, I got a bath bomb set and I'm really excited. The last thing I got from Homesense was a little step stool, which I seen and I thought I need that. I am 5'1" and it's very difficult for me to reach anything in a high cupboard. It's difficult for me to reach the ceiling fan, like little plugs, even if they have extenders. Reaching things even in my closet is hard. I want to make sure I get like a sturdy stepper and I want to feel secure and safe and good on it. And this one was like a nice size. It has 2 tiers. It's a really nice like thick wood and it has like I think a vinyl of almost like speckles on it. In the store when I seen it, I thought even if I paint the wood part, that's what I may do. Everything was actually on sale or very affordable, except for the rug, which we are not going to get into pricing for that. But anyway, that was the one item that I really wanted, and I'm happy about it, and I just love it. Let me know in the comments down below what store you are excited to go shopping in. If you want to see other videos on different furniture and decorations that I pick up for my home, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell to be notified when I upload next. I also seen some organization pieces, so I can't wait to start doing like organization videos, clean with me, DIY things. So we'll be doing that very, very soon, but I'll see you guys in the next one.